Hello everybody, my name is Christina Santos and today I'm going to show you how I make my glowing green smoothie. I have been making the glowing green smoothie since 2015 in an effort to induce my weight loss and also detoxify my body. Let me walk you through the various ingredients that I use to make the glowing green smoothie. So the first part is the 80%. So I stress the 80% because if you put a lot of fruits, you will actually spike the sugar level of the smoothie. It will still be sweet, but you will get the most benefits from the vegetables themselves. So the glowing green smoothie has lots of vegetables. As you can see here, they look so beautiful and fresh from the supermarket, and also fresh fruits and vegetables. Now, this is called glowing green because I use everything green, okay? So that is very important. For the vegetables, that's already a given. But for the fruits, it's very important that you use the green version of the ingredients. Like instead of red apples, I use green apples. For the pear, I use the green pears. I also add in ginger. And for the bananas, I use the banana at its ripest stage because that's when you get a lot of the best nutrients from the fruit. And of course, lemon. Lemon actually balances out the taste of the vegetables and the fruits, as well as the almond milk. Now, almond milk is very important, or some type of milk is very important in putting in your smoothie because you need some type of good fat in order for the green smoothie to really work. Now, before I start, I just want to point out that you will be needing a high-speed blender. I have invested on a Vitamix blender because it really liquefies all of the ingredients that I just talked about. So first, let me show you how to do the step one. So it's with the almond milk. So you just use maybe a cup or a cup and a half, okay? You have to make sure that it covers the actual blade of the Vitamix blender. The next thing is now you add in the bananas. Okay, so I use a full banana. Okay. And then I add in the green apples. These are actually Granny Smith apples, so this is one full apple. And then I add in the green pear, so this is one whole green pear. Now the green pear normally has this stem at the top. Now I do not discard this because I'm using a very powerful Vitamix blender. I don't have to worry about it getting stuck in the blades. Now ginger is very important, especially if you're fighting inflammation and pain in your body. Okay, this is, I love that ingredient. And then I also add in vitamin C by adding a whole lemon. Now you notice that I added in the hard ingredients first because if I put in the spinach and the kale and the celery, they get stuck in the blades. So then I'm gonna add in the celery, okay? So there's been a lot of, celery has been getting a lot of popularity lately. A lot of people juice this, but I like to put it in along with the other ingredients for extra detoxifying benefits. At this point, you could see that the Vitamix container is getting full, so I'd like to add in about a cup of water. You can also use coconut juice if you prefer that because it has electrolytes, but for me, I just like to use regular water. Prior to this, I've also been brewing some green tea in advance the night before, and I add that in, especially if I'm taking the smoothie in the morning. It's a good alternative for coffee. Now for added sweetness and as an alternative to sugar and honey, before I used to use honey, but honey has a lot of sugar. I've been using pineapple chunks. You can buy this frozen at your grocery store. But today I actually bought a fresh pineapple and I just put it in the old container for my frozen pineapples. And you just stop it, just get a handful or two. It will really change the taste of your smoothie, making it more appealing. See, I have the programmable Vitamix, so all you need to do is turn it on, put it in the smoothie setting, and start it. I drink my green smoothie to break my fast in the morning around 12:30 p.m., usually after I go to the gym. And then the rest, I store it in the fridge for snacks. Or if I'm really wanting to detoxify my body, or if my goal is to lose some weight, I take it in at lunchtime, and I also take it in the evening. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to make the glowing green smoothie. It has really helped me since 2015 maintain a healthy body. Also, it makes your skin glow and makes you look young, feel young, think young. So I hope you enjoy it and hope you can try it at home and start making a difference in your life. Thank you very much and have a great day.